How to change print settings in Windows 11. This video shows how to change the print settings for single print jobs and default print settings for all jobs in Windows 11. Change the print settings for single print jobs. Open the document, photo, or web page you want to print. Click File and then click Print. Depending on your software, click Printer Properties, Properties, Options, Printer Setup, Printer, or Preferences. The Printer Properties window opens with the Printing Shortcuts tab open. You can now change any of the individual print settings for the job. The Print Quality option specifies the quality of the print job. Select Best for the best quality printouts. This option uses more ink and prints at a slower speed. Select Fast for the fastest printing. Select Normal for a balance of print quality and printing speed. The Paper Type option lets you select from a list of paper types for your job, such as photo paper or plain paper. The Print on Both Sides manually option lets you select whether to flip on long edge or flip on short edge when printing double-sided pages manually. Otherwise, select None from the drop-down list. In the Pages per Sheet drop-down list, select the number of pages to print on each sheet of paper. The Print in Grayscale option allows you to print in high-quality grayscale or print using black ink only. You can also choose a printing shortcut from the Printing Shortcuts list on the left. This section is a collection of saved print settings that you can select with one click. Click on the Paper/Quality tab. You can now choose a suitable paper size for printing. Choose the paper source. You can also enable borderless printing if supported by your printer. Click on the Layout tab. Change the orientation of the print job to portrait or landscape. You can also click on the Advanced tab for more print settings. Once you've made changes, click OK. You can now print the document with the new print settings. Change the default print settings for all jobs. In the Windows taskbar, click on the Search icon. Search for and open printers and scanners. Select your printer, then click Printing Preferences to change the default print settings. You can now change the individual print settings as described earlier in this video. Change default print settings such as print quality, paper type, orientation, borderless printing, pages per sheet, and others. When done, click OK to save the new default print settings for all future print jobs. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.